The ONEVAN 16,000 Pascal suction power cordless electric vacuum cleaner is a handheld cordless vacuum cleaner designed for multifunctional home and floor cleaning tasks. It features up to 16,000 Pascal suction power to effectively remove dust, dirt, crumbs, and debris from different surfaces. The cordless design provides flexible cleaning without power cable restrictions. It is designed for compatibility with Makita 18-volt battery pin systems, allowing portable and convenient power usage. The vacuum cleaner is suitable for cleaning floors, furniture, cars, and hard-to-reach corners in everyday use. With its portable structure and strong suction power, it is designed for efficient daily household and vehicle cleaning. You can find the product link in the description below.